How is creativity self-improvement? I read dozens of self-help books and realized that it's basically creating the best version of yourself. But I will not only teach you how to be the best version of yourself, but rather make the best art. Almost every time we create things, even the small things such as routines, schedules for ourselves, and even this video. What I'm saying is that we have the potential of being creative, even when it's the smallest things. How can we use it to make the best versions of ourselves? Instead of doing what we should do what we like to do. Now don't get those two things mixed up. One is basically pleasure and the other is basically purpose. Well, if you can't find one, then try to find something that you'll like in the future. In other words, you need to realize that not everyone is original. Because here's the thing about originality. It's being inspired by people and being inspired by things. Which is why you can see people tend to copy Mr. Beast's edit style. Because while I read Steal Like an Artist, I found this quote. If you just mimic the surface of somebody's work without understanding where they are coming from, your work will never be anything more than a knockoff. Now, regardless of giving you those 2 points, to help you on your self-improvement and your creative journey, click on this video as it talks about Kanye West.